Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching us how to add a subscribe newsletter form in your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the idea here is you guys first want to log into your WordPress account as an administrator. So here's what the dashboard looks like, and the idea here is we want to get access to the site editor. But before that, let's actually go to the plugins page, and I'll show you guys what you need to do and just what plugins you need to get. So you guys would want to get access to the site builder by clicking on edit site under quick links, or you guys can hover over the plugins tab and click on installed plugins and select Elementor from there. There are also a couple of different ways to access the site builder, like hovering over appearance and clicking on editor, or you could manually configure each page by clicking on the pages tab like so, clicking on the ellipses, and I'll show you just how to do that in a sec. So here we are, and click on edit with Elementor. So either way is really fine. So what you guys would want to do here is you want to get access to the Elementor plugin by simply typing Elementor under the compatible plugins and tools for WordPress. So as you guys can see, actually let's hit enter first. This one, the Elementor website builder, is the most basic one. This one contains all of the bare bones fundamentals and functions that you guys would need to build your website, as well as the second one right here. Now, the important one that you guys would want to opt to install for is this one right here, Elementor add-on elements, as well as Elements Kit Elementor add-ons. So these two actually contain the forms for your newsletter, and I'll show you what I mean, because normally the form for the vanilla version or the native version doesn't come with what you guys are looking for. So if I were to type down form, you'll see that these ones are tied to the Elementor kit. So there's Ninja forms, there's Weave forms, Caldera forms, WP forms, Fluent forms. Either way is really fine. So when you guys click on this and configure it, so let's actually create a new container here. Let's click on add. Clicking widget, here we are. And if we go to add the form like so, all we have to do is drag and drop. So let's do this one right here, and from here we get to configure what type of form we want it to be. So it could be a newsletter, as you can see, or an email, or you could also do MailChimp, for example. So I'll show you guys MailChimp. Simply drag and drop, and you guys are done. So yeah, that's the video. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.